How to apply for a job in Indeed application. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. First of all, go to any web browser and type in indeed.com and you'll land to the official page straightforward. Here you can see the search section. Simply search for the designation or job you want to search. Like I am searching data analyst. Here you can see I found a job and I will tap on apply now. Then I will lead to the official page of the job provider. Here I will click on apply now again and it will ask me to start my application. I will just tap on autofill with resume. Now it will take me to the page where it will ask my email and password. Just type in your email and your password and you are good to go. So this is how you can apply for a job in Indeed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.